Hyderabad, here I come. Hi, welcome to 10 Things to Do. Today, I'm going to take you through a journey to tell you what the 10 most important things to do are when you visit Hyderabad. So without wasting any time, let's jump and find out what they are. हेलो भैया, कहाँ पे हो आप? आपने कहा था 5 मिनट और अभी तक नहीं आए। आधा घंटा हो गया है।
बाजू में ही छू मैडम, 5 मिनट में आता हूँ मैं।
After several interactions with the Hyderabadis, I figured out that they have a laid-back attitude which has been carried forward from the Nizam era. Having said that, I also have to say that Hyderabadis are some of the most helpful and friendly people. So here I am at Begum Bazaar. Begum Bazaar is the biggest commercial market in Hyderabad. If you want to buy any article at the most reasonable price, then Begum Bazaar is your place. Deals worth crores are struck here every day. The only hitches of this bazaar are the congested and the unhygienic lanes. So, I have decided to learn and speak in Hyderabadi Hindi. After all, be a Hyderabadi when you are in Hyderabad. Hindi is spoken in different parts of the country, but nowhere can you match the hilarious twists in words that are used here. भैया, आप हैदराबादी हिंदी में लड़की को क्या बोलते हैं?
पुट्टी बोलते हैं मैडम।
पुट्टी।
हाँ,
पुट्टी बोलते हैं। अच्छा, तो लड़के को क्या बोलते हो?
पुट्टा बोलते हैं।
पुट्टा। Halim. Halim is made out of wheat, lentils, meat, barley and spices. This dish is mainly available at the time of Ramzan festival for a period of 1 month. The Halim here is so popular that it is transported throughout the world during the Ramzan season. तो क्या हलीम सिर्फ मुस्लिम्स खाते हैं यहाँ पे?
ये हिंदू, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन सभी लोग खाते हैं। हैदराबाद में बहुत फेमस है।
The best place to eat halim is the Pista House in Old City. Yummy. Where is the most active adventure club in India? Yes, it is in Hyderabad. So what does your club do?
Great Hyderabad Adventure Club was founded in May 2008. The club conducts a range of adventure activities which includes hiking, trekking, camping. Since we have a lot of rocks in Hyderabad, we also do rock climbing. In adventure sports, we do river rafting, we do bungee jumping, paragliding, skydiving.
Wow.
We also have been to the Everest up to 10 times. Once the activity is decided, we post it on our website. Members RSVP online and they go on a trip.
So, the next time, do check out the GHAC website before coming to Hyderabad and RSVP for one of those adventure treks. I'm sure you'll have a great time. This is the best place to conclude a day. Relax and take a stroll. Necklace Road is adjoining to the Hussain Sagar Lake, which is located in the heart of the city. When viewed from the sky, the road has the shape of a necklace and hence the name.
రండి మేడం, రండి, వేడి వేడిగా ఉంది. రండి మేడం, రండి, రండి మేడం, వేడి వేడి.
What the beep? Did he just call me Randi? Don't worry. Randi in local language means please come. So don't be surprised if people use this word. It's a word that's commonly used in Telugu. No, it's not Hollywood. It's not Bollywood. It is Hyderabad's very own Telugu film industry, which is called Tollywood. To know more about this, let me take you to one of the film studios here in Hyderabad. Come on. Hello, sir.
Welcome to Annapurna Studios.
This is a lovely place. What is the importance of Tollywood?
Tollywood is important because globally it's an accepted fact that apart from Hindi, it's Tollywood that produces the largest number of films in one single language. In fact, in 2006, Tollywood even outnumbered Bollywood. Hyderabad boasts of the largest film production facility studios in the world. Telugu film industry boasts of some of the finest technicians and craftsmen and also story writers in India. And therefore for Telugus it's a matter of pride that we make more numbers of movies than in any other language.
అరే సాయి చూడరా ఎవరో బాలీవుడ్ హీరోయిన్ లాగా ఉంది. పద మాట్లాడదాం.
పదరా అలాగే ఉంది కదా.
మేడం 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 ఒక్క ఫోటో మేడం.
Oh, what? They assume you to be a Bollywood hero.
Me?
And they want to take a snap.
ఒక్క ఫోటో సార్ ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్.
Nah, get under my territory.
విచ్ మూవీ మేడం? ఏ మూవీ మేడం? ఓకే ఓకే
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Bollywood heroine?
ఈ అమ్మాయి మహేష్ బాబు పక్కన మస్తుగా ఉంటుంది కదరా.
That was quite an experience for me posing as a Bollywood heroine. Now, let's come back to our countdown. Now we are here at Lad Bazaar. This place is world famous for bangles and pearls. Let's go inside and check them out. Bangles. Lad Bazaar is the main market for bangles. Appealing colors and ethnic patterned bangles have become a fashion statement for today's women. The most famous is the Hyderabadi lacquered bangles, molded out of pure lac and studded with glittering and beautifully cut glass pieces of various colors. Hyderabad is called the City of Pearls. Most of the traditional Hyderabad jewelry is made with white pearls. Several pearl makers are exporting processed pearls to markets in Europe and the US. During the Nizam era, Hyderabad was one of the most popular markets in the world for gems and pearls. I couldn't resist myself. I bought myself these beautiful pearl sets and a pair of bangles for my sister. Share autos. The concept of sharing transport is very popular among Hyderabadis. They connect every part of the city and are very useful for commuting in Hyderabad. In fact, this type of service should be introduced in other cities. It saves a lot of fuel and is economical. So here we are at the Necklace Road, boarding the boat to go see the Buddha statue. The Buddha statue is the world's largest single stone statue of Buddha, which is made out of single white granite rock. It is 72 feet in height, installed amidst the tranquil waters of the Hussain Sagar Lake. The statue was carved by 200 artisans for more than 2 years. The tourism department also conducts several types of water cruises on the serene Hussain Sagar Lake. भैया गोलकोंडा यहाँ से कैसे जाते हैं?
सीधा ही सीधा
सीधा, ओके। गोलकोंडा और कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
बस आगे ही है।
भैया गोलकोंडा यहाँ से कैसे जाना है?
ऐसा सीधा चले जाओ, आधा था।
अच्छा भैया, और कितना दूर है गोलकोंडा यहाँ से?
बस आगे ही है।
अच्छा आगे ले लो भैया। Hyderabadis truly mean that सीधा जाओ means minimum 4 to 5 turns. आगे 6 means minimum 4 to 5 kilometers. Golconda, yay! Golconda. Golconda was built in the year 1600 AD and was constructed by the Qutub Shahi kings. Golconda was the market city of diamond trade and gems. The biggest diamond Kohinoor was taken from here. It is a perfectly designed acoustical system by which a hand clap at the fort's main gate, the grand portico, can be heard at the top of the fort situated at 300 feet high. The symbol of Hyderabad, Charminar. Charminar, a splendid piece of architecture with 4 minarets of 100 feet each, carved with lotus buds and petals, and the central structure soaring to a height of 180 feet, making it an architectural jewel of the city. The landmark has become a global icon of Hyderabad, listed among the most recognized structures of India. Charminar was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah in 1591 to commemorate the cessation of plague in the city. Finally, the moment everybody is waiting for. What is the one most important thing that you would want to do when you are in Hyderabad?
Hyderabadi biryani is the best.
Hyderabad biryani.
So, it's obvious that many people, including me, look forward to eating the Hyderabadi biryani. But what is it that makes this dish so special? Let me eat and find out. Hyderabadi biryani. It is made out of basmati rice, meat, yogurt, lemon, saffron, and various other spices. The preferred meat is lamb, goat, or chicken. A biryani is accompanied with dahi chutney and mirchi ka salad. The salad includes onion, carrot, cucumber, and lemon wedges. The trip is not complete without eating Hyderabadi biryani. You will find imitational Hyderabadi biryani in other city restaurants, but the real satisfaction comes from eating it here in Hyderabad. That was so worth it. It is the best biryani I've ever had. I feel so heavy that I think I can just sleep here. So that's it for now. I'm leaving this wonderful city which has so much to offer. Khudafis.